Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so I'm here at the beautiful Urby. This is the amazing, huge gym. I'm gonna just show off a little of this gym. It's pretty big. Look at it, it's just huge. So it's got this huge area that's got specialty weight equipment, really fun area. Look at all these mirrors. I mean, how fun is this? All these kettlebells over here, punching bag. Really cool space over here, free weights, and then you've got a great amount of space over here too. This is some ellipticals, treadmills. Those are over here. The treadmills are here. Stairmasters, just unusual, different, cool stuff. Look at this huge weight machine, weight rack. This is amazing. Just a lot of equipment. It's here. It's very impressive. More ellipticals over here. Wow. Then you've got these additional machine-aided weights, weight training. These exercises are here. Lat pull downs. Looks like some sort of press machine. A Peloton bike that's over here. This is just unbelievable. It's really big. There is it's like a studio gym that's over here. So just peeking in there, this really cool. Okay, a really nice studio that's in there. That's nice. It's private. Amazing gym that's here, and this is free. You don't really need an outside gym. This is a very cool gym. Love this gym. One little final feature I want to show you is this really cool. Just it's a you can get filtered water, but I just love it that it's this orangish color. Very cool. Hey, if you have any questions about anything you're seeing here at the Urby, send me a text. Just use the number below. I look forward to hearing from you. What we can do is just answer your questions or set up a tour and just chat about Dallas if you like to. So I look forward to hearing from you. Send me a text.